How to make mini leather boxing gloves. Using the templates which are available from the link in the description, cut out some pieces of thin leather, and this is to make the right hand boxing glove. Of course it can be reversed to make a left hand as well. Use a piece of bias tape at the wrist of the larger piece. I like to use some contrasting stitching. Using contact cement and a metal rod, or I'm using a guitar string here. Add a bead of glue along the edge of the larger piece on the outer side. I find it easiest to join the pieces first at the wrist, then at the extremities where the fingertips would be and where the thumb, the end of the thumb would be. Then carefully press along the edge and smooth out any bumps. Once it's holding in place all around the outer edge, then you can stitch it. On the palm side of the glove, cut up to that curved stitching line. Then you can turn it inside out. Gently roll the seams between your fingertips and finesse it into shape. I then make 8 holes for the lacing. If you don't have a hole punch like this, it might be easier to do it at the start using a regular hole punch. Take a piece of thin wire, this is about 1.5 millimeters in thickness, and take a piece that is going to be no longer than about 3/4 the length of the glove, and wrap some insulating tape around the ends so that there aren't any sharp bits. This wire is going to make it possible to shape the glove to make it look more realistic. You could have it as a closed fist or a more open style, however you want. You can manipulate the shape of the glove any way you like. Now's a good time to start stuffing it with cotton wool or polyester batting, whatever you've got to give it the sponginess and shape that you need. You can use a shoelace or a lamp drawstring or paracord, whatever you've got for the lacing. Carefully cut out the beefy logo which is on the template and stick it onto a piece of leather using some packing tape. This can then be glued to the outer part of the glove using contact cement. And then the glove is finished. Thanks for watching. Please check out my channel for more tutorials and free downloads.